All right, guys, it's the next day. This is what I got done so far. I wanted to show you what I'm using. Being that it's trees that I cut down, there's a lot of bumps from the branches and things that could cut the plastic, so I just wanted to put something over it, and I found this shelter seal. This stuff works pretty good. It's just thin styrofoam, I guess what it would be, but it works good for putting it over all that so that nothing rips the plastic. So there's only $5 a roll. Got 3 rolls of it. Should work out pretty good. The other thing that I did was I took the saw and I went around all the edges, tried to get all the burrs off and all that so that nothing will cut it. So my rafters that I'm going to use, I think you could probably see that. I got wire that I'm using. It's metal wire that I've had for a long time, and I think that's going to work out just fine. It's pretty thick wire, so I'll use that. If that doesn't work, then I'll use some more lumber to finish it out. So, but that's where we're at for today. I'm going to keep on going with it and see if I can get some plastic put on. So I'll get back to you here in just a little bit. All right, something else that I had laying around that I thought I'd use is some tongue and groove cedar siding. So I figured I'd go ahead and put it to use and just at least do the front and make it pretty. I think that turned out really good. So that was the next thing I wanted to do, is get the front looking good. Now I'm going to start working on the plastic. So stay tuned on that. It's coming. I'll get back with you here in a little while and see how far we get today. We'll see if we can get most of it done. I hope we can. All right, let's see if we can get this cover over the top without any problems. I'm going to get it on video just so I can see if we can do it. Slowly but surely. Not too bad for a one-man job. I got a lot to do to clean it up, but we're getting there. All right. I'll let you know when I get done. I'll come back and give you a little update with what I've done then. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll be back in a little bit. All right, y'all, this is about 3/4 of the way done. Wanted to show you what we got, though. what I'm going to do is have the sides roll up, so I'm not too worried about it right now. It's going to start getting hot, so I don't want to have it closed in. So for now, I'm just going to leave it like that. I have the plastic though. I mean, I still got a full row right there. Probably another, oh, what was it? Probably another 50 feet of it. So might just use that and get all of it done. But I have one spot up on top that has a dip from the tree that I used. I'm going to go ahead and take probably just a 1x and get up there and fix that so I don't have that dip. But other than that, the roof turned out really good. What I ended up doing was taking some 1x, tucking it under, and then screwing it in. So there's no holes except for right there on the very end. So nothing's going to get wet. Same with up here. I went ahead and tucked all the 2x that I used there. I'm going to trim it out later on. So the next thing that you'll probably see with this is I'll have it trimmed out and stained. So that's it for the greenhouse for now. I'll probably do one more video on the finished part of it, but that's it. Moving on to the next one. Alright guys, I want to do a full video on how I did everything with the greenhouse, so stay tuned for that. I'll have detailed information on what I did, and then I'm going to do another video on this arbor that I did. Not a trellis, it's an arbor. So I'll get that out next too. Thanks for watching guys. I'll talk to you soon.